Want to find a product on AliExpress using just a picture? In this video, I'll show you how to search AliExpress products by image on your mobile. So, let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, look at the search bar at the top, then tap on the camera icon inside the search bar. Here you'll see two ways to search by image. The first way is by using your camera. To do this, point your phone at the product you want to find and make sure the image is clear. AliExpress will scan the product and show you similar items related to that product. The second way is by using an image from your gallery. If you already have an image saved on your phone, swipe up from the bottom to open your phone's gallery. Now, select the image of the product and AliExpress will upload it and search for matching items. After the results appear, you can browse similar products, compare prices, and place your order if you find the right one. And that's how to search AliExpress products by image on your mobile using both camera and gallery. Thanks for watching.